Hello and welcome to How to Play Cee-Lo, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Cee-Lo. The video will start with the general concepts and then cover the gameplay. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 3 dice and something to bet with, such as poker chips. Before the game starts, each player will roll 1 die. The player that rolls the highest number becomes the first banker. Player 2 rolled the high 6 and is the first banker. As the first banker, player 2 will make bets with each other player. Player 2 bets 1 chip against player 3 and 1 chip against player 1. The object of the game is to win the bets by rolling a better dice combination than your opponent. The banker will roll 3 dice with 4 possible outcomes. If the banker rolls a combination of 4, 5, and 6, a 3 of a kind, or a pair with a 6, player 2 will instantly win both bets. If the banker rolls a 1, 2, 3, or a pair with a 1, the banker will instantly lose both bets. If the banker rolls a pair with a 2, 3, 4, or 5, the non-paired die sets the point number. Each other player then gets a turn to try and beat the point number. If any other combination is rolled, it is known as a dead roll, and the player will roll again. Player 2 rolls 3 dice and gets a pair of 4s and a 5. Player 2 has set the point at 5. Player 3 rolls next to try and beat the 5. Player 3's first roll is a dead roll. Player 3's next roll is a pair plus 1. Player 3 loses with that combination. Player 2 collects the bet. Player 1 rolls next and rolls a 3 of a kind in 4s. This beats player 2's combination and player 1 collects the bet. Player 2, as the banker, starts the next round with another bet with each player. Player 2 rolls a dead roll first and then rolls a pair of 5s and a 4. This sets the point at 4. Player 3 is first to try and beat player 2. The first roll is a dead roll. Then player 3 rolls a pair plus a 6 to beat player 2. Player 1 goes next and rolls a pair plus a 6 to also beat player 2. Play continues again with the banker setting the bets. This time the banker rolls a pair plus a 1 for an instant loss. Player 3 and player 1 collect their bets. Player 2 continues as the banker until another player beats him by rolling a combination of 4, 5, 6. The player that rolls the 4, 5, 6 becomes the banker going forward on the next round. Another variation is to have the banker move clockwise left after each round. The dice combinations can be found in this video's description. That wraps up How to Play Cee-Lo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.